A very good morning to all of you, dear student. This is class of our MSc final year, Inorganic Special, paper 7th A, unit 5th, supramolecular chemistry. We discussing on supramolecular devices. Today we discuss on light conventional conversion and energy transfer devices. Conversion of absorbed light into emitted light of another wavelength occurs in any luminescence species. One would like, however, to perform separately the various steps of the overall process by means of different components that may be optimized for a given purpose. This is the light conversion photochemical molecular device. You can see here a diagram. Here A, ET and E. A is known as absorption and ET is energy transfer and E is emission. Wavelength absorbed or emitted light, lifetime of emission, etc. This is the case for a light conversion molecular device consisting of two discrete components, a light collector or antenna formed by an array of strongly absorbing unit and an emitter, thus allowing the separate optimization of absorption and emission in order to function. Inter-component energy transfer must occur. Thus, such a device operates in a three-step called absorption, energy transfer, emission. Absorption, energy transfer and emission. This three step, A for absorption, ET for energy transfer and E for emission. This is shown in above diagram, A, ET and E. This has been realized in luminescent cryptates of europium and terbium, europium third and terbium. These are lanthanides with macrobicyclic ligand such as that is structure is next number 20, which incorporate various heterobiral group 2,2-bipyridine, phenanthrone, bithiazole, biimidazole, bipyrimidine, bi-isoquinoline and their N-N- dioxide, severing their light collecting antenna components. These complexes present a unique combination of features arising from both their cryptate structure and the nature of the emitting species, protection of the included ion from deactivation due to the interaction with solvent like water. Water is the universal solvent. Solvent molecules very high thermodynamic stability and kinetic entrances. Multiple photosensitizing groups suitable for energy transfer and displaying strong ultraviolet and visible light absorption. Characteristics: long wavelength and long lifetime of the emission. They display a bright luminescence in aqueous solution, whereas the free ion do not emit under the same conditions. Absorption of UV light by organic antenna groups is followed by energy transfer to the included lanthanoid cations, which then emit its characteristic visible radiations. The corresponding absorption, energy transfer, and emission process is shown for the europium third encrypted in next number 87. Higher conversion efficiency and stronger luminescence are found for europium cryptates such as 88 containing N oxide ligand. In the solid state complexes exhibit especially efficient energy conversion. This is also the case for the corresponding terbium third cryptates up to about 100 Kelvin at a higher temperature. Energy migration and back transfer from the ion to the cryptates decrease the emission intensity. Since the nature of the ligand group strongly influences the photophysical properties, it may be possible to tune them to the desired purpose by suitable structure variation related macrocyclic complex display. This is you see that the 87, 88, 89 and 89b. These are the H nu is the absorbing light and 80 is the energy transfer and E is the emission. And emission में बीच in middle europium is the lanthanide metal. Europium plus 3 and terbium plus 3. Here you can say that sodium plus ion in 89A and 89B also. Analogous luminescent properties di and trinuclear complexes such as those derived from the sodium cryptates you see in 89A and 89B would offer further development for the energy transfer studies. Photoactive cryptates are of intense as novel luminescence material and as label for the biological application subject to very stringent constraints, that is labeling of monoclonal antibodies, of oligonucleotide, of membrane components, cytofluorometry, etc. Linked cascade system performing very long range energy transfer, that is VLRET, may be imagined. Of particular interest in the development of homogeneous immunoassays based on cryptates europium third as label, they made use of second long range energy transfer between group 87 and acceptor A, bound each by a specific antibody to different epitopes of the antigen and represented in next diagram number 90, that is antibodies bearing and a left and right antigen center. This process also results in sign amplification. Such immunoassays present great value for medical diagnostics. Europium or terbium complexes of crown ether and of calixarine display similar energy transfer luminescence process, photochemical communication by energy transfer and electron transfer. Here you see that ET is energy transfer and small et is the electron transfer, may take place between a luminescent metal complex boron by beta cyclodextrin core and a guest molecule included in the receptor cavity. Polymetallic complexes presenting directional energy migration are of such significance for the design of photochemical molecule devices. Large arrays of multiple photoactive and redox active building blocks have been constructed for such process. Intramolecular transfer of excitation energy occurs in molecule containing several chromophores such as pyrene, anthracene, or porphyrin groups connected by various linkers. Energy and photo-induced electron transfer process are found in biochromophoric supramolecules assembly through hydrogen bonding recognition via base pairing. Ultra fast energy hopping takes place in multichromophoric beta cyclodextrin derivatives, and triple energy migration occurs in solid and liquid crystalline phases of substitute phthalocyanamine. In the former case, very efficient energy transfer from the multiple collector antenna leads to strong luminescence of an acceptor dye including in the cavity. Such results are the most interest for the design of inorganic or organic photochemical devices presenting directional energy migration, as was shown to take place in a photonic molecule wire built on rigid linear array of porphyrin unit. Dear student, this class of MSc important topic supramolecule, in some lectures remaining, in some day after some days complete this unit. Then please prepare your notes by the help of PDF, because this PDF is original copy of VCH publication J. M. Lane, which is Nobel Prize honored by Nobel Prize. J. M. Lane, father of supramolecular chemistry. So you prepare your notes by the help of the PDF and complete your assignment day by day, and you write your assignment after learning the topic, not write by scene. You write assignment without scene, only after learning, because this time is pandemic time, you know that already, but you also know that exam is compulsory for your future, and exam will be 100% damn sure in exact time by the University of Maharaja Ganga Singh University, Bikaner. So you prepare your topic and continuous with your study in this pandemic time, because you have a lot of time for your study, because college are not open for the student in December 31st 2020 till now. From 2000 till 2020 31st December. So you have a lot of time, and you know that some practical syllabus we will complete after open the college. I will complete your chromatographic section in MSc final year practical according to university syllabus. But dear students, health is the wealth. Protect your health. Follow advice of Center and Rajasthan State Advisory. Follow all advisory of Corona COVID-19. follow you, your family, and your society. You should use mask, sanitizer, and social distance. Thank you. Thank you so much for your bright future.